He came out looking like one of the best receivers, if not the best receiver in football. Now, my Cowboys Super Bowl contender take comes from their offense, if I'm being honest. George Pickens made his Cowboys debut last night with nothing crazy, 3 catches for 30 yards, but he should have had more between pass interference calls and just simple drops. His night didn't show his full potential for the Cowboys, and I think he fits perfectly into his wide receiver 2 role in this Cowboys offense. He came out looking like one of the best receivers, if not the best receiver in football. 7 catches, 110 yards, that big 32-yard one. He was cooking early, and I'm glad. But down the stretch, the drops started piling up, a bunch of memes all over the internet. And if you're gonna sit there looking nonchalant like he was in interviews, and you're gonna call yourself the top receiver in football, you just simply can't let those plays slip. Still, you cannot deny the explosiveness this offense had last night.